Hey, my friend, it is getting real. I was at the grocery store. I saw people fighting over bags of rice in the grocery store. I never thought I'd see this day. If you are looking for a delicious meal without even having to go to the grocery store, I have a solution for you. But first, let's talk about your immune system. You see, 70% of your immune system is actually in your gut. So, whatever we can do to support our guts, Hippocrates said all disease starts in our guts. This is 400 BC. So we need to make sure that we're doing things that can stimulate our gut. Number one, fermented foods. I'm big into kimchi, sauerkraut. All these things are going to boost up our immune system, right? Another thing, digestive enzymes to support healthy digestion is critical, especially in aging people. That's one thing that we have to look at. Maintaining a strong immune system and also making sure we have the right enzymes to break down what we're eating. As we age, our HCl gets less and less. That stomach acid that breaks down, that internal fire gets less and less. So unless we're adding enzymes into what we're eating, sometimes we don't absorb all the protein, we don't absorb all the nutrients, the aminos, all the delicious components to what we're actually eating if we're not getting the right enzymes. Also, protein is absolutely vital to build body tissue, to repair, and to fight viral and bacterial infections. Protein. Digestive enzymes help support that healthy immune system and ramp up your immune system. Multivitamins are also incredible. See, you don't just want vitamin C, you want a whole cadre of vitamins that are properly digested, that are sent to the cells when you need it in your cells, so that you're making sure you're getting everything that your body needs to protect itself. And if you don't have enough in the house, you guys, enough protein right now for whatever reason, I do have a solution for you today. And I wanted to offer it up because I spent years in the development and making of this. This is a plant-based protein that actually has 3 protein sources. It has digestive enzymes, MCTs, vitamins and minerals, and it's entirely plant-based. So it satisfies that need because it's got a little sweet taste to it as well. It tastes like a chocolate milkshake, the chocolate kind. It has immunity support, digestion health, and can aid in weight loss as well. So here it is. I have it for you, and I'm going to give you a discount today just because everything that we're going through. Try it for 60 days, risk-free. Let me know what you think. Boost up your immune system. Make sure that you're getting enough protein and your body's digesting it the right way so that you feel great and you have the energy that you need to support others at this time as well as yourself. So click in the video or click the link below and get started with the world's greatest and most delicious, by me, I'm a little biased, protein that you can get right here, right now. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together, and we'll talk soon.